Peace and serenity are all yours at this beautiful home and property in Damascus. It's situated on nearly 1.5 acres with a separate shop and a home that has dual living possibilities. Journey up the private drive to this tranquil setting. Inside, you'll discover a large, inviting living room with a wood-burning fireplace, newer flooring, and large windows providing tons of natural light. Relax on the huge covered Trex deck, where it's easy to entertain while taking in the peaceful views. The beautifully updated kitchen features granite counters with a tile backsplash, white painted cabinets and matching appliances, and an eat-in bar. This home of 2,500 square feet has plenty of space with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. On the lower level, you'll find a spacious family room, including a second kitchen, perfect for multi-generational living. Completing this level, another bedroom, a full bath, and a second laundry room. Unwind in the newer hot tub or on the covered patio, perfect for year-round entertaining, while enjoying the natural views. The huge 48 by 36-foot shop has separate power, 2 large bay roll-up doors, a workbench and tool area, plus an upper storage loft space. A beautiful, updated home in a peaceful setting. You'll find it all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Gene Farr with Premier Property Group.